So this is our last step of our presentation that we're going to do. So the first thing we're going to do is start off with our creamy grits. I'm going to give this a light little stir. And it's always important with grits that you taste as you go along if you need to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. So we're going to turn our heats off. The next step, we're going to give our mixture a quick stir. And remember what I said, cook with the low heat so your sauce doesn't break.
Try and open up to the lens if you can.
Last but not least, our jumbo prawns. And we always want to leave 2 for our garnish. See how these just stick right up. And last but not least is our simple garnish. Now I'm just lightly sprinkling just a little bit of cayenne in there. And here you have it. These are our shrimp and creamy grit cakes. We started off with stone ground grits that we got going in the pot. And then we started with our mixture, a little bit of heavy cream, Tabasco, cayenne pepper, asparagus tips, roasted corn, and cherry tomatoes. I hope you enjoy. My name is Keilly Morris. And if you choose to want to check me out and see if we can exchange some recipes and I can pass them on to you, you can check me out at Keilly Morris. That's Keilly Morris, Morris, @gmail.com. Take care.